I love this hair. Your girl has a new look. I'm always switching it up, I'm always changing my style, and I've already revealed my new hair on Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on IG, you guys are definitely missing out on everything that I share before it comes on youtube.com. But I will be getting to the details of this hair in a second. I just have this scarf on for the anticipation and also to kind of lay it down. I literally just got done getting ready for the day and I wanted to go ahead and start with my hair details and doing like a first impressions and sort of unboxing review like I have been whenever I get new hair in the mail, because I wear the heck out of my wigs and I love my collection. Recently, I've been really into the blonde look. There's something about the blonde that is just so different than my natural dark brown hair that really changes up my look without me having to damage my own hair. It's the best thing ever. So today's video is brought to you guys by Ali Bliss, and I got my last blonde unit from them. So I'll leave that video in the links below. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you see all of my posts, and I do get some questions from time to time asking about my hair details. So definitely check out that video if you guys haven't seen it already. Just a heads up, this took a couple of weeks to make and be shipped out. It is a custom wig. With a lot of their units online, you're able to customize the color, the density, the size, the style, like all of that good stuff. So because they are custom, they will take some time to ship. So don't think you can order this and you'll get it in like 2 days, because that is not the case. But in the box, which I do keep my boxes, I do store my wigs in them when I'm not wearing them on rotation. Otherwise, they'll just sit on like a foam mannequin head. Very cute, I know, but the box is great for storage. So inside we have a couple of things, which I'll go through. Paperwork. Okay, so for some reason, if you don't like your wig, you have this slip that you can fill out to return and get a refund. There's also this operating manual, which basically gives you all the details about the care for your hair. So it gives you the like wash instructions. It tells you that it's 100% unprocessed virgin hair. It shows you ways to wear it and how to cut the lace off when you first get it, and the tweezing and all of that stuff, the basic stuff that you need to know. Heat styling, what to do with that. So that's really cool that it comes with that. I did notice that I didn't get a wig cap in this order, which is weird. My last one came with a couple. This one didn't come with any, so I thought that was interesting, but I do have a bunch laying around, so I didn't really mind that much. But the wig itself did come wrapped in this plastic bag, and then it had this hairnet over the top. I'm gonna go through the actual details of this unit in case you guys wanna get the exact same one that I have. And I will also leave these details in the description box below along with the link to this wig, because I have several different blonde ones. So I'll hook you guys up in the down bar. But the texture that I got this time was a straight texture, and the density is 150%, which I really like. I feel like the density is perfect for me. It's not too thin, it's not too full. It just looks like the perfect amount of hair. And I love big hair, but like this is like the perfect amount of density for me. So the length that I got this one in is 16 inches. So it comes just below the boob area. And then of course the color of this is a 613. So what's really good about getting a 613 wig is you could do so much with it. You could, okay, this is what I would recommend if you like fun colors, is to get this wig in the 613, and then you could go over it with any color that you want, because you don't have to bleach it, you don't have to lift it, it's already done for you. It's already light enough for the pigment to really stick. So I could honestly do ombre, I could tint the roots for this, I could dye the whole entire wig a fun color for fall time, but I think I'm gonna keep it blonde. But now that I've went over the details, I'm gonna show you guys what's under here. Oh my god, oh my gosh, look at this. No dark roots, no dark roots. It's all 613. It's beautiful. Now I did just put this on straight out of the box. I just washed it and straightened it. That is it. I cut the lace off, but I wanted to show you guys what it will look like when you get it in the mail. I didn't want to tweeze anything any more than what Ali Bliss already did in the factory. I wanted you guys to see what it looked like straight out of the box. Now I will be doing some stuff to this wig, like customizing it a little bit more, but just to show you what you will get when you order this, this is it. So this is the parting that it came with. Of course, I'll go through it and part it a little bit more with some tweezers to widen it out a little bit. But for it to come like this straight out of the box, I think is amazing. It also already came with baby hairs, and the perimeter of the wig was already tweezed. So that was great. It took a lot of the work out of the way, and I already glued this thing down. My mans could pull on my hair. It's not going anywhere. Okay, I don't have a man, but like, you know, because I use this stuff. Okay, this is like an OG fave here on YouTube, and it's the Got2b Ultra Glued. They do have this in like the yellow packaging, but this one is a little bit stronger, and it's basically like an intense styling gel that can act as a glue between your lace and then like your skin. Okay, I do take my wigs off every single night. I don't have time to be sleeping on clips and tracks. I like to breathe, so that's why I like this. It's not permanent, it's very temporary, comes off with water, it's not irritating to my skin. So this is what I found it works best for me. So once I cut off the extra lace from the wig, you know, you just glue it down, and I use a scarf to hold it down in place for maybe 30 minutes to really adhere to my skin. See, I can go in and do like half up, half downs, whatever I want, because it's glued down with the gel. As far as the structure of this wig goes, it is not a full lace wig. So we have a full lace frontal, which means that you have the ability to part this wig wherever it is that you want. You can slick it all the way back if you want. You know, that hairstyle that's super poppin', like the wet look that's just slicked all the way back. You could definitely do that with this look. You could do half up, half down, full ponytail, all of that good stuff. But there are tracks here in the back, so just keep that in mind. It's not a full lace wig, which makes it a little bit more affordable when you want to go ahead and invest in a new unit. You know, it's great. I love that. And also too, the structure of the inside does have the classic like stretchy band where you can adjust it a little bit more. And of course there are 3 clips to help you hold this down. So there's a clip here on either side of your ear, and then one here in the back to go like on your nape of your neck. So that's really nice. Typically I would go ahead and sew down an elastic band, but I didn't have time to order any on Amazon, but I'll leave the one that I get in the description box below. That just really helps to ensure that your wig is gonna be like in place, it's not gonna go anywhere, and it will also help it lay a lot flatter to your head, okay? So that's basically all of the details on my new wig, my new blonde wig. I don't know what color I should do. I'm thinking that I want to tint the roots a little bit. Nothing crazy, maybe like an ash brown or something like that, a little bit darker, so it's not so 613 everywhere. Although I don't mind it, I think it's so fun. But you know what, with anything that you do that's different, it's gonna take a hot second to get used to it, right? Because I'm so used to seeing myself with such dark hair that going from like super dark hair to this blonde is crazy. It's a crazy jump for me, but I love it. It's definitely growing on me since I got this in the mail yesterday. Been wearing it around the house all morning, and every time I look in the mirror, I'm on Instagram, I'm like, yes, I am feeling this look. I am definitely feeling it. Of course, check out the down bar for more information on today's video, and I will go ahead and post more photos on my Instagram as I continue to wear and style this wig day to day. That way you guys can see how wearable it is and how I sort of work it into my style. Until next time, I will catch you dolls in